Hello everyone. It's me, Angie, again. I just wanted to come on real quick and give you a little bit of a life update. You probably have noticed that I've been a little MIA recently, and that is due to the fact that basically about a year ago, September, I actually ended up with a pretty bad back injury. I herniated a disc, but it caused all sorts of other problems as well. And so I have been slowly recovering from that. It's actually still not completely healed, but I do have chiropractor appointments and therapists. I was on steroids and all kinds of good stuff. But the good news is it has gotten better to the point where I think that I can probably start making videos again. So yay, I'm so excited for that. And I just wanted to let you all know that I will be coming back very soon, and I just wanted to throw something out there and ask you all if there's anything specific, any kind of sewing videos specifically that you would like to see me make. Go ahead and throw those in the comments for me, and I'll definitely work on those. I already am working on 2, so I'm hoping to be able to finish those up. I still can't sit for a prolonged period of time, so I sort of have to break my videos up into segments and then just sort of put them all together. So I am working on 2 of those to hopefully get out for you all really soon. And another thing I wanted to throw out there, and this is sort of off topic a little bit from the sewing that I normally do, but we did just take a really fun vacation to St. Croix. It's part of the US Virgin Islands, and if you've never been, try to go. It's incredible. But I just wanted to throw that out there too and ask, would you guys be interested in hearing about that at all? The experience, anything like that. That's sort of more of a lifestyle thing, which I don't really do on this channel. But if that's something that you'd be interested in, go ahead and let me know that in the comments too. Maybe I can do a variety of shorts or a long form video if you all have questions, or if that's something that you'd be interested in seeing. And if not, that's okay. No harm, no foul. I'll stick to sewing, which is sort of what I planned to do anyway. So no problem either way. Just thought I'd throw that out there. So bottom line, stay tuned. Things are coming down the line, and again, if you all have anything specific that you would like to see, go ahead and throw those down in the comments for me, and I'll definitely work on those for you all. And I hope to see you again all really soon. Thank you so much for your support, your kindness, and I hope it is worth the wait. But I'm sure you can imagine back injuries are not something you can really mess around with, so I definitely had to do a lot of just laying low for the last year. So hopefully picking back up and getting into the swing of things here soon. Thank you again. Hope you guys all have a blessed day, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.